guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myra from Low Carb Love.
I'm Mini Nati.
This is my daughter Natalia, and she loves being in the kitchen with me. She's going to be helping me out make this 7-layer dip, okay? Now, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do and hit the notification bell so that you are reminded every time I post a video. So I'm posting recipes 3 times a week at the moment on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So make sure that you guys don't miss that, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with our dip. This is a super simple dip. We already have everything portioned out, but we're gonna start off with our beans. Now, this is a low carb recipe. The beans do have 10 net carbs per half cup. So this is 1 full cup here. And so we're just gonna go ahead and pour that, or put that onto the...
and you wanna spread it out completely?
So this is just a regular like Pyrex, glass dish. Okay, so now we're doing the guac. And this here is a homemade guac that I put together super quick. I will link that in the description below. You want to be careful with the layers that they don't start mixing. If you want to see how this is looking so far, we have the beans layered, and now you want to put a good layer of your guac in there. If you want to actually, use less beans, then obviously you just make up with the guac. And this is all measured out, so I will put the measurements down in the description for you guys. So you guys can, of course, go ahead and, buy all these little goodies that you need to make this dip. But for the most part, you have most of these things at home, right? So you have avocados, tomatoes, sour cream, cilantro, things like that. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the sour cream. And like I said, all of this is already measured out, just because I wanted to be more precise on the macros. So,
all right, beautiful.
How does that look?
Gorgeous.
Okay, we might only use half of that. Let's just see. That is 1 cup, but we're gonna see if we need it all, okay? So now we're gonna add, you can add the whole thing. So it's pretty, everything was perfectly measured. That one, you don't wanna mix it with this. Go ahead and grab a little spoon. And so far, if you can see, that was the salsa layer, and it's starting to layer perfectly. Is that beautiful? So now let's go ahead, and the next step, you're gonna sprinkle some cheese. So this is just a Mexican blend. I usually buy it from Costco, but I'm out right now. So, and we mixed a little bit of mozzarella because literally we were all out.
This looks delicious.
Bomb.com.
We usually make this around Thanksgiving and Christmas time.
Is there any more in there, baby? At the end of it. And you can add as much cheese as you want, obviously. But
rest in peace.
Okay, baby. Now top it with our tomato. So we're gonna do the tomato just to top it off. It's nice and fresh. You can add a little bit of jalapeno, a little bit of onion. We actually have some green onion and cilantro, so we're gonna top that. We're gonna put that on top. Now go ahead and add the red.
I can smell it.
Put the green onion, baby, and the cilantro. And you can obviously add as much or as little as you want. Nati actually helped me chop this up, okay?
I use my kid-friendly knife so I do not cut my finger off.
Kid-friendly knife, for sure. Then we're gonna top it off with a few little slices of jalapenos. And guys, we are all done with our dip. Look at how beautiful this looks. I don't know if you're able to see the actual layers. Maybe on here.
It looks
see the layers.
beautiful.
Gorgeous. Look at how it looks on top. That's perfection. So in case you guys are wondering about the salsa, it's basically just a packaged salsa like this. I grabbed this at Costco. It's just an original, original picante salsa. So you can totally make one homemade, but this is just a super easy last minute, I need to put something together to go to a barbecue, a potluck, a gathering together, and boom, you have this in 10 minutes, as long as you have all the ingredients on hand. No cooking, no baking, nada. So, all right guys, so here is our beautiful dip. It is a 7-layer dip. The onion and the cilantro counts as one, okay? If not, it's an 8-layer dip. But yeah, it's super delicious. It's low carb. Of course, you're not gonna eat the entire, container. But if you did, then, I will have the macros down below for you. Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Please, when you do make it, tag me on Instagram so that I can share your recreations because everyone loves seeing them as well as me. Okay, guys, so until next time, I love you and I will see you on my next video. Mwah!